JLG Industries presents proper operation of the JLG 670 SJ self-leveling. Proper training is the first step towards qualifying an operator to operate any classification of MEWP equipment. The user and operator are responsible for conforming with safety precautions outlined in Section 1 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. In addition, the operator must also be familiarized on the specific machine model that they will be operating, which is outlined in the Operation and Safety Manual. The operator must meet all of the operator qualifications outlined in your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. The keys to safe and proper use of an MEWP are in the following 4 steps: workplace inspection, pre-start inspection, proper operation, and proper shutdown. MEWP operators should take the time to follow this 4-step procedure to safe and proper operation. Once you arrive at the worksite, it's critical to clear the area of hazards before operating. Always walk your worksite to check the pathway prior to operating in that area. Check operating surfaces for holes, bumps, drop-offs, obstructions, debris, concealed holes, or any other potential ground hazards. Physically identify these hazards with paint, cones, signs, or any other items that will stand out. Maintain at least 2-foot distance away from these hazards. Check for overhead wires and their height compared to your machine's lift height. Keep in mind that your machine does not provide protection from contact or proximity to electrical current. Follow the minimum approach distance as outlined in your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. Additional safety precautions can be found in Section 1 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. Once you have walked your worksite and have completed a thorough workplace inspection, perform a pre-start inspection as outlined in Section 2 of your machine's Operation and Safety Manual. Once you have completed the pre-start inspection without any discrepancies, you may operate the machine. Always enter the platform using 3 points of contact and front facing the machine. During operation, occupants in the platform must wear a full body harness with a lanyard attached to an authorized lanyard anchorage point. Ensure the load is within the manufacturer's rated capacity before operation. The JLG 670 SJ self-leveling has 2 operation modes: auto level active and auto level not active. Auto level not active is a function of the auto level mode. With the boom in the stowed position and the function speed set out of creep, auto level is deactivated. Auto level mode, or self-leveling, is active when the machine speed dial is turned to the creep position and when the boom is out of the stowed position, regardless of the speed dial position. For level correct, press and hold the auto level button with the foot switch active until the chassis level is achieved. Use the leveling system status indicator to monitor machine level status. To operate any function, the foot switch must be depressed and the desired function selected within 7 seconds. Use the drive joystick to position the machine underneath your intended work area on a firm surface within the limits of the maximum operating slope. Safe machine operation requires your full attention. Always keep 360 degrees of awareness, and non-operating personnel at least 6 feet away from the machine during operation. Never use the machine as a crane or increase the platform size with unauthorized modifications or attachments. Use the machine for its intended purpose only, and always pick the right MUP for the job. When you are finished your work, return the machine to the stowed position and park the machine on a smooth surface in a reasonably well-protected area. Shut down, emergency stop at the platform and ground controls. Position the platform ground selector switch to the off position and remove the key to prevent unauthorized use. Properly operating your machine helps you complete your work safely. Beginner operators should practice these safe procedures before operating on actual work sites with an experienced and qualified operator. If you require further clarification on operating your machine, contact us at 1-877-JLG-SAFE. Other resources can be found online at jlg.com. Thanks for watching, and have a safe day.